1984 Chevrolet Scottsdale C10 here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Nicely equipped truck, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Actually has a Jasper crate engine with a mild cam that was installed. Approximately 2,000 miles on it. Automatic transmission, actually an overdrive transmission, 700 R4. When the engine was installed, the water pump, distributor, carb, headers were all new at that time also. Let's go ahead and take a look at the front grille, front bumper. Good looking two-tone red and gray exterior. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, the interior, engine bay, bed of it. Does have a spray in bed liner, soft roll-up tonneau cover back there. All the still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. 18-inch American Racing torque thrust style wheels. You can also see disc brakes up front. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. Paint has a nice shine to it. You may find an imperfection here or there where there's been a little bit of a touch-up. And there's also a can of touch-up paint I noticed that'll go along with the truck. Bent seat. Kind of a maple and gray interior. We'll get around to the driver's side, start it up, let's hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood, check out that interior a little bit closer. And if you stick around to the very end of this video, Jason's going to take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. You can see around those wheel wells, looks good. Some other items that were restored or updated on this vehicle. The seat has been reupholstered. New carpeting in the cab. Has a retro sound style vintage radio. Box speakers in the rear and tweeters in the dash were also installed. Turbo mufflers on that dual exhaust. New fuel tank. Front and rear bumper also new. Spray in bed liner, soft tonneau cover. Technician that looked at this truck in our service department stated idler arm shows a little bit of wear. That was the only real notes on it. Brakes are 40% in the front, 70% in the rear. Let's go ahead and take a look down this driver's side. If you like this vintage Chevy truck, or maybe you just like Chevy trucks in general, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online right off our showroom floor. Take a look at the still pictures. I have the box and the still pictures, so you can see that spray and liner. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. You'll be able to see underneath the doors, they're nice and solid. You'll see that in the still pictures also. Just a good look at that seating surface. I haven't noticed any rips, tears, holes, anything like that. The seat. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Again, V8. Approximately 2,000 miles since that Jasper engine was installed with a mild cam, and you can hear it. It sounds good. Top of the dash. Good shape. Mentioned that retro sound style radio, and that is working.
You know your TV is a radio too.
Good sounding stereo. That would be for different input. The radio, I do believe, and then an aftermarket gauge cluster underneath the dash. So voltmeter, oil pressure, that's up, and that was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up. Nice throttle response and good sounding, like I said. Visor's intact. There we go. A little rumble coming out of that V8. There's also a folder with some miscellaneous receipts and that touch-up paint. I'll put those back in the truck. And the number to call if you'd like to talk to a sales associate on this one, 507-386-1726. Let me pause this a second. We're going to pop the hood, check out that engine bay, and we'll have Jason take it for a drive. There's a good look at the underside of the hood, nice and clean. And engine bay. So more of a vintage AC and heat type setup. You can see the headers, power brakes, power steering, aluminum radiator, dual electric fans, battery disconnect runs in between drives and in storage. So that's a Holley 4-barrel underneath there. HEI ignition running good, sounding good. 1984 Chevrolet Scottsdale C10. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
As well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
Gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're going for a ride in a 1984 Chevrolet pickup. Really nice running truck, a square body, regular cab pickup truck. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. We have a digital radio in the dash. Retro sound style looking radio. Down below the dash there's some gauges. The voltage is charging over 14. The oil pressure is 60 psi. The temperature is just right about 130. I haven't seen that one move yet. Speedometer working, the fuel gauge reads almost a full tank. As you can see, it is winter in Minnesota, but this truck doesn't care, and we do wash our vehicles so we can do these driving videos for you. A little bit of wind noise from these wing windows, likely because of the heavy wind and cold temperatures outside. The weather seal looks good. Brakes nice and smooth, as these trucks usually do. A smooth running, reliable truck. Take it a little easy in the corner. Corners nicely. Power steering making it easy. We have a HVAC system from Vintage Air working as well. Nice rumble to this truck, nothing excessive, it just sounds good when you get on the throttle. Tonneau cover on the bed. This truck's ready to go. Check out all the pictures of this 84 Chevy at uniqueclassiccars.com.